Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different kind of video. So today I'm just going to show you how to refill the Copic marker. This one I had maybe like 3 to 4 years, no, even more, maybe like 5 years. And this one I didn't got the refill at the first, and now I'm thinking to get one for this one. So I thought before doing the refill, why don't I make a video and show it to you guys how to use the how to refill the marker. Okay, so here, okay, so I got this one from first of all I got this one from the Amazon. It's $5, I guess, around $5. Okay, so always buying a marker is like, it's very expensive. It's a $7 something, and for the Sayo brand, this one it is like a 5 something, and this one is around $7. Okay, so usually I get the whichever marker I use most, I buy the refill. So this one it's a E21, as you can see, E21. So it's more like a skin tone, for the skin tone. Yes, skin tone. So I always use that one. So this one is E21, and I got the I got the same refill E21. Okay, so let's what this one is, this one doesn't need to refill. So what are the things you need for the refill? You just need a refill, your sketch, your marker, and a plier or anything you can grab the need. Okay, so what we do is, we at the flat side, don't try to use on the brush side. Okay, brush side, don't try to use this one. Always try to use the flat side. Okay, so what you do, usually in the Copic marker, the most thing you use is the brush side of marker. So if you ruin the tip, better it ruin at the flat side. So that's why do not use the brush side. Okay, so what you do is, just grab it lightly and just pull it. It's not so hard, so you don't need to squeeze it hard for the brush, and you have to pull it. Okay, that's the way you do it, and put it back like that. Simple. Okay, just shake it a little bit and pull it. Okay, that's the one thing. And the second thing, you just need to unpack this one. It has some mark that you pull it like that. Easy. That's the whole thing you need to do. And then it's not a pop-up cap. It has a screw, so that is good. And what you do is, you take the hold it like this, and then what you do is, you just put it like that and try to squeeze like 3 times. Okay, first there's a mark, it's a 12 ml, so there's a mark here. It's a 12 ml. Try to pour till half ml. Okay, first squeeze 1, 2, 3, and let's see more. Don't try to do, sorry, look, this is what happens. Okay, be gentle. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I messed up, sorry for that. Okay, there you go. Yeah, after that, don't forget to squeeze this one. Okay, tightly as you can, Then I dropped some of the expensive ink here. Now you can put it like this, and voila, that's it. And what you can do is, I have a rough paper here. Let's try. It's working. Let it soak it for some time. And then this one, this side, it will. So what you can do is, you just drop few drops. Just few drops on the side, just to wet the brush. And yeah, like that. Not much. Okay. And then screw it back. And let's see. Yeah, it's working fine now. Okay, this is how you do it. So it's a simple. Don't try to do over like I did. This one, what happened is, like, I have a camera in the top up, so it's hard to see. So I dropped the ink here. So don't try to do that mistake, and don't try to over put the ink. Okay, if you want it, then you can do it that several times. If you want it, if the ink is dry, you can do and put some of the ink again and again, but don't try to do it over. It will overflow, and your brush tip might be ruined. Okay, so keep it in that time. Okay, so that's all I have to do here. I hope this video will help you in any ways. Please do like and subscribe my videos. There are more other technical reviews and other art videos I have in my channel. Sorry, so please try to check them out and let me know how you like it. Okay, so see you next time. I hope to bring more useful video like this one. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.